Frizz reducing. Shine plus separation. Extra light hold. Water-based. For all hair types. This fragrance-free grooming cream is perfect if you're into low-maintenance, healthy-looking hair. This formula has very little hold. This one is all about shine plus separation. A little goes a long way, so it only takes a small amount to polish hair. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. I could not be happier with this product. Most hair gels creams have a dirty feel to me. The heavy perfumes they all have get stale by the end of the day, making me feel the need to wash it out at night. So sticky and gross. Not this product though. It holds your hair perfectly and yet feels clean and fresh, not sticky and icky. And because it's fragrance-free, you don't have to blast hello. Hair product scent. Everywhere you go. Your own scent or body lotion or whatever can be the star, as it should be, not your hair cream.